Kraken Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. Kraken Crypto Exchange is a robust platform designed with both seasoned traders and beginners in mind, combining powerful tools with a secure environment for trading. Kraken's key features make it a top choice among crypto exchanges. It offers a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and lesser-known altcoins, totaling over 100 assets. This variety allows for extensive trading opportunities and diversification. Security is one of Kraken's standout qualities. The platform uses advanced security protocols, including two-factor authentication, 2FA, encryption, and cold storage for funds, making it one of the most secure exchanges available today. Kraken Pro, an advanced trading interface, is particularly notable for those seeking a more technical, customizable experience, with features like margin trading, staking, and futures trading. Fees are competitive, especially on Kraken Pro, where makers and takers enjoy a sliding fee schedule based on monthly trading volume, making it economical for high-frequency traders. For beginners, Kraken's main platform is intuitive, providing a clean interface and straightforward buying-selling options. One of Kraken's biggest advantages is its high liquidity, which ensures efficient order fulfillment, reducing slippage even for larger trades. Additionally, Kraken offers staking services, allowing users to earn passive income on supported assets by staking them directly through the platform. Kraken also provides around-the-clock customer support, which is crucial for crypto trading due to its 24/7 market nature. Support is accessible through live chat and a comprehensive help center, which is a big plus if you encounter any issues. It's worth mentioning that Kraken adheres to regulatory standards in the US and abroad, which adds an extra layer of trust, especially for compliance-focused investors. However, there are a few drawbacks. While the platform is user-friendly for beginners, its fee structure on the main platform can be slightly higher than other exchanges for smaller trades. Additionally, Kraken's identity verification can take time, so setting up an account isn't instantaneous. Overall, Kraken is ideal for those looking for a secure, feature-rich platform with advanced trading options and high liquidity. If you're serious about crypto trading and value security alongside a range of assets and trading options, Kraken is one of the most dependable exchanges out there.